All right, day 13. Doing December 2024. Believe there was 10 a.m. news. Yeah. So we're just gonna see how that reacts. I believe this is the same draw. And we have bearish SMT as of now. Could change, but we'll see what happens. Okay, we've already displaced about 100 points. It's 940. If we get some manipulation. Okay, internal manipulation there. 945. This is pretty good. I'm just gonna wait for 10 a.m. Entry right there for 30 points would have got smacked, so that was a valid trade idea. Now it looks like we are forming bullish SMT. Yeah. 10 a.m. had a nice displacement candle. I'm gonna enter. Not yet. Now we're just accumulating. Okay, I honestly missed the entry. I'm gonna trade 1045. Okay. Manipulated that high. Displacement, rebalance, displacement. I'm gonna take this down to this wick here. Go 1 mini. Okay, stopped out right there. Pretty low risk on that one. Yeah, pattern traded that. I'm not gonna lie. Um, 939. I want to see what's happening higher time frame here. Okay, bullish SMT there. This actually looks pretty good. Take it up to that draw. My stop loss, 25 points. Okay, nice. W trade, Sibi disrespect there. Bullish SMT, a lot of displacement here. Those are my confluences. Looks like we have a lot of bullish structure here on the higher time frame. I wonder if this is all-time highs. It looks like it. We did just sweep this high too. So I want to see. So we've had a lot of displacement since we took that high actually. I want to see what we're doing at this internal low. I don't want to short anything. I think ideal case is longs back up to this draw, just because of the amount of bullish structure we have higher time frame, as well as I want to see if we have internal manipulation here. Yeah, so we have a bullish SMT there too. I kind of just want to wait for a little more manipulation. It's 9:44. Wednesday, we have 10 a.m. PMI too. Okay. This looks good for me to take a long. Probably right there. I just wanted to see a little more liquidity being generated before I entered. Because, yeah, that worked out. Because this just isn't enough right here to go to take it up to the draw. So we came down, manipulated this internal low, forming bullish SMT here as well. Yeah, so that was overall a W trade. Probably going to continue higher. Price looks really bullish. So, I think this is Thursday the 5th, yeah. 8:30 unemployment claims, no 10 a.m. news, so we are looking for 9:45 to provide the setup. I'm just gonna see if we can catch anything. This low-key might have been the move right here. No, even then it's only 20 points roughly. Okay, so we just took out that low there. Not quite, actually. No, we took it out. Okay, I kind of like this. This is kind of like the same setup we had yesterday, except we've actually taken out an internal low, forming bullish SMT as well. And we do have relative equal highs there too, so that's a strong draw. We got stopped. We got stopped right there too, but I guess this was the move. This right here, this short, 9:45 roughly. And this one is gonna be a little shorter. This recording, I mean. PXH. This really looks like PXH to me, honestly. We souped that high, and then yeah, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna target 40 points. Yeah, that was textbook continuation. Low key ran probably 60 or 70 points on that. Monday the 9th. No news. Internal manipulation there. I really don't know what to think here. I just want to wait for the displacement to tell me which way it's going, because you could look at it either way. Bullish SMT, bearish SMT. Doesn't really tell me a lot. This could just be really choppy PA too. Okay, just because we're failing to go higher, I'm gonna take shorts here. I'm gonna target that low. I think if price was truly bullish, we would have continued off of this leg here. We wouldn't have rebalanced twice again, going even deeper. Yeah, pretty choppy, but overall I had the right narrative, so that's a W in my book. Probably wouldn't have even traded in that live market if I'm being totally honest. Okay. Now we have bullish SMT. I want to see what higher time frame is doing. Looks like we might want to come up into CE of this range maybe. And we've already done that. I think we're bullish here. Now obviously we just took out that high on NQ, so I can't force anything yet. It's 9:39. Okay, that looks really good to me. Holy voice crack. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't want to rush anything there or force anything. Obviously, there were some nice shorts here. Really little to none confluence besides this SMT. But I was bullish, so I wanted buys. This would have been a similar ROR. So yeah, that was the overall W trade. I'm pretty stoked on that. As of now, we have a bearish SMT. Not gonna force anything here. SMT was ran. So now I want to look at what we're doing at this high. It looks like we're gonna form PXH. It's 940. But I'm gonna take this. This looks pretty good. We came back down to that high. And I think we're gonna get a nice clean continuation here. Yeah. Valid. I ain't even checking news. And I'm gonna stop on the 24th. Maybe even the 23rd, just because I feel like Christmas through New Year's is going to be terrible price action. And I have somewhere to be in a couple minutes, so I will be cutting this one short. But I'll be back tomorrow. I think I'm going to do 3 months tomorrow. Kind of been lacking on recording backtesting, so I'm going to be back tomorrow with 3 months. It'll be uploaded before noon for your guys' enjoyment. This looks absolutely shit. Gotta make sure my camera ain't freezing up. Yeah, this looks so trash, bro. Holy fuck. Terrible. Terrible. It's 10:07 too. We didn't even take out that draw until 10:15. So I'm gonna wait till 10:45. I'm just gonna ignore potential setups, but 10:45 should present something pretty nice. Simply because of the amount of accumulation we've had. Maybe not. Yeah, that was just a trash day. Um, no news Friday. Don't really care for it, honestly. Don't really give a shit about it, but I'll trade it anyways, I guess. We have a nice bearish SMT here. Um, doesn't look like that's gonna get respected. It looks like we formed PXH with that high. But I want to see if there's any other draws we could have potentially taken out. No. So in this case, I want to wait for a rebalance and then I will enter. Or we could maybe catch a reversal here. Okay. Kind of late to the move, but I'm still going to take this. Oh, we have an SMT there. So I'm going to take this now. This is what I'm going to take. Okay. Nice. I just want to see if that first trade would have worked out. Yeah, whatever. SMT didn't hold. Got manipulated there. But Monday the 16th. A lot of news. 9:45 news. I guess not for USD. Internal manipulation there. Okay, I like this. Stops below the displacement candle. TP up there for a 1-to-1. Okay. Technically got stopped there. I guess Price just wanted to manipulate one more time, but overall, narrative was right. Should have had my stops a little lower. So that's a W in my book. $9.41. We had CPI this day. This honestly looks pretty A plus. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm gonna take this. Probably a 40-point stop loss. 35. I'm gonna take it up to this draw here for roughly a 1-to-1. Yeah, that was a A plus setup, bro. SMT with the low here, internal manipulation, nice displacement, failing every civvy we come by. That was pretty fucking free, if I do say so myself. But yeah, W's. This is Wednesday the 18th. 8:30 building permits, FOMC statement, federal funds rate. Looks pretty bad. I'm not gonna take this. As for Thursday, 8:30 news looks pretty solid, and we are absolutely dumped 100 points in 3 candles. But we also have SMT with this low too. So I want to see what's happening in this area because we failed the first one, but okay. So now I'm kind of late to the move, but I could still catch 30 points. But based off the displacement, I don't think we'll need a rebalance. Okay, I totally got fucking robbed there. Nice. That's what's up. Absolutely manipulated there. So I think where I messed up is we had no internal manipulation. And even though, yes, there's an SMT here, but ideally you want to see internal manipulation on every single trade before you enter. So that was my mistake there. Okay. What's going on here? No News Friday. It looks pretty valid though, honestly, I can't lie. Okay, I like this. And prices, this is just like a little scalp, but price is just volatile enough for me to take trades like these and still take 30 points, 40 points. Yeah, easy smack. But yeah, that was a overall W trade. Um, yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be doing 3 months tomorrow, 3 months of data. Because I've been lacking on recording this. So that should be fun. Okay, bullish SMT here. We did internally manipulate there. I just don't really like how this candle closed. Okay, I'll take it. I'm going to take it up to these relative equal highs here for 72 points. I think this will be a good trade if price wants to work in my favor. Okay, nope, maybe not. Ouch. Okay, that's gonna be the session. Short one today for you guys, but like I said, I've got somewhere to be. I've got some shit to do before I go. So tomorrow I'm gonna be doing a lot more back testing for a longer lecture for you guys, but that's it for today. So peace.